Hello, dear friend, and my customers from Setstar Enterprises Limited. I want to display something here. I have a solar panel on it. Look at it. This is what we call half-cell mono solar panels, and we have the experience and the expertise of doing quality solar solutions. And so you can ask yourself, why Setstar Enterprises Limited? Our secret lies in the combination of the components that we use in every installation. For instance, the reason why we recommend this compact type of solar panels, the monotype, is because first, the cells are full cells. I mean, the way silicon is cut, whatever is cut, after the sheet is spread, they cut cells, full cells. They can cut them in half and form a solar panel like this. But now the debris that are broken and the waste, because normally you'll find that silicon is in its natural state, it charges when it is exposed to light. So the crushed powder is what forms now the poly. Poly is blue in color, and generally they look larger. But when you use the mono cells, the mono panels are more efficient. You can use them even in cloudy zones like Limuru, places like hilly regions where sun exposure is not as much as compared to the savannah. All right. So our secret lies in the components, and you'll find that most of the installations that we do, 90% of them, we settle for mono. So whenever you're buying solar, ensure that you ask for mono crystalline solar panels. They are black, and you can see the cells, and they are very compact. They are very efficient. When you do a system using mono solar panels, you are assured of sustainability. They'll fill your batteries. Even in bad weather, you find you have power in the batteries. I also want to talk about how these solars are combined, and how we series them, how we parallel, and the reason why you find in a particular system we are doing series, in other systems we are doing parallel. Most of the systems that we do nowadays, we are doing smart inverters. Smart inverters, you'll find that they are fixed. They have an inbuilt controller that is big enough to accommodate 500 volts. And also it can handle up to 6,000 watts if it is a 5 kilowatt, for example. And for that matter, we series all the panels. We can series 9 or 10 pieces of them, or 550. There are other inverters that you find, yes, it is a 5 kilowatt, but the controller cannot allow more than 145 watts. So what happens? You series, if a VOC, when I talk of VOC, you turn your panel, and then you look at the VOC, the open circuit voltage, which is 21. Now, for example, if it is 21, this tells you at any given time when you series 3 of them, they will give you 63. Okay? And you get bigger panels up to 49, 50 volts VOC. So you find you won't series more than 2. So you series 2, you series other two, and then you parallel all. If there are 6 you can series them in pairs. You series two, you series other two, but you parallel the pairs together so that the controller will not blow. Doing that, you ensure that there is enough wattage and the current that is required to run the controller, because the controller is the one that has the responsibility to do what? To charge power into the batteries. So for now, that is all. Meet me in the other video as I explain more about installations and how we go about it. For more information and for better solar services, come to Setstar Enterprises Limited. We are located here in Roy. You will get sustainable solar solutions from lithium to tubular batteries to any system you want, solar, water heating, everything. Karibu.